Crispy scallion pancakes made with rice paper and no water. I have tried every trick, and this is the game changer. You'll only need 20 minutes, and you won't believe the crunch at the end. Stay tuned. Chop some scallions. In a bowl, combine the chopped scallions, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. In a small bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk until smooth. This is the rice paper we're going to use. Here's the secret. Most people soak rice paper in water, which makes it chewy and not crispy. Instead, we're going to brush a thin layer of beaten egg on both sides of 2 rice paper sheets. Then slightly overlap them. Egg makes them extra crispy and flaky. And then we're just gonna sprinkle scallions evenly over the rice paper. Roll into a log. Then twist into a spiral shape and form a pancake. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, add cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Place the scallion pancakes in the pan and cook until golden and crispy on both sides for about 2 minutes per side. Can you hear that sizzling sound? How crispy do you like your scallion pancakes? Light crunch or ultra crispy? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Let's make the dipping sauce. Mix soy sauce, rice vinegar, and chili oil. Click here for my homemade chili oil recipe. And that's it! Golden crispy rice paper scallion pancakes in just 20 minutes. If you also like to check out how to make scallion pancakes the traditional way, click on the video right here. Absolutely delicious. The beaten egg changed the texture of rice paper, makes it extremely flaky and crispy. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!